the mines, the paint mines?
I like them.
Any other feedback?
Video?
Yes.
Oh, hey.
Okay, got any comments, suggestions?
Good.
It's good.
Come in the early night or early morning or late night.
When it's cold.
The best.
Yeah.
Yes.
And flip
Bring a
around,
lot of
flip
water.
around. Look at that. Look at the view. Really gorgeous. Very beautiful. There's 2 parking lots we found out. Not 1, but 2.
Oliver, do you have a bone? Do you have a bone? Hey, what do you got? Hey, is that a bone you have in your hand mouth? All right, we're in Steamboat, Colorado. I'm making some pancakes in the one jet boil burner. Cutting his 800 pancakes. And get ready to check out this view where we camped last night. Dun, dun, dun. Here's outside the van door. I believe that's a state park down there. I don't remember the name, but it is gorgeous. Wonderful view. You can see some snow-capped mountains out in the yonder, out there. And here's Oliver. Oliver is eating the shoe. Oliver, don't eat the shoe. He's enjoying the view. This is his angle of the view right there. Calm down, Oliver. And beautiful view, Steamboat Springs, Colorado. It looks like there's a boat down in the lake down there too. This is Steamboat right above Steamboat. And there is the Steamboat Ski Resort. This is the Emerald Trail, just right outside of city. I mean, you park pretty much by the river and climb up here. It's beautiful. Okay, here's another look. This trail again is called the Emerald Mountain Flow Fest. You can check it out at mtb.com in Steamboat, Colorado. The density of the floor in the forest here is just amazing. It's beautiful, tons of ferns everywhere. At least compared to where I'm used to riding, the floor is just covered with looks like carpet of plants. It is just beautiful. So I do recommend this loop. I think it's 4 stars on MTB app. Just another beautiful shot on this trail. Look at all this. I believe these are ferns. If so, I've never seen them so high before. It is amazing. This is the Strawberry Hot Springs. It starts out up top, but it's really hot, and then each pool cools down. And then this is the river that kind of runs through, and it's super, super cold. It's currently during COVID time, so you pay $20 and you can stay for 2 hours. But it's a nice kind of smaller thing. And with COVID going on, there's not a lot of people here. It's actually really nice. So if you come to Steamboat, you should check out Strawberry Hot Springs. How's that pool? That's the coolest one. You like this place?
I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? All right, so there's our spot. We camped on the side of the road and had that kind of view one night. We're climbing up Rabbit Ears Pass, and we found this little, kind of a big turnout on the road, and there was someone else camping in a tent there, so we camped on that side of the road for the last 2 nights. Overlooked that lake you just saw. It was beautiful and epic. I mean, it was free, it was nice, and the view was super amazing. So, you know, that's a nice thing about a van, is if you have a van or something mobile like that, you could almost park anywhere for a night and, should I say, get away with it, or people just leave you alone, and you get to get some epic spots. But this is, again, climbing out of Steamboat over Rabbit Ears Pass, and we're currently heading back to Denver.